Dear friends, we will move into exercise E. Find the adjoint and inverse of following matrices. A matrix is given. Let it be named as A. So given A equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. A 2 by 2 matrix. Adjoint A formula for 2 by 2 matrix. This formula is only for 2 by 2 matrix. D minus B minus C A. This is A, B, C, D. I am writing here A, B, C, D. What is the formula? D means cos alpha. Minus B, minus into minus plus sin alpha. Minus C, C is sin alpha. So minus C means minus sin alpha. D is A. What is A? Cos alpha. Cos alpha. So D minus B minus C A is formula of adjoint A for 2 by 2 matrix. Now inverse. A inverse equal to, this formula is for 2 by 2 matrix, 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C A, that equal to 1 by AD minus BC, AD cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, minus BC minus sin alpha into sin alpha minus sin square alpha. Since there is minus into minus plus sin square alpha into D minus B minus C A. The same here. D minus B minus C A. In trigonometry, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 into the matrix is the same. Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. These two formulae are used only for 2 by 2 matrices. Now, one more problem of order 3 by 3. So, a 3 by 3 matrix is given. How to find adjoint and inverse? Right. Adjoint. To find adjoint, we have to start with minor matrix. How to write minor matrix of A? Minor of 1. Remove row and column. The 4 elements are 1, 0, 2, 1. Minor of 0. Remove row and column. The 4 elements are 2, 0, 3, 1. Minor of 2. Remove row and column. The 4 elements are 2, 1, 3, 2. Minor of 2. Remove row and column. 0, 2, 2, 1. minor of 1, remove this row and column. The 4 elements are 1, 2, 3, 1. Minor of 0, remove row and column. The 4 elements are 1, 0, 3, 2. Minor of 3, remove row and column. 0, 2, 1, 0. Minor of 2, remove row and column. The 4 elements are 1, 2, 2, 0. Minor of 1, the 4 elements are 1, 0, 2, 1. Now, in the next step, we do AD minus BC. AD 1 into 1, 1, minus BC 2 into 0, 0, 1 minus 0. 2 1s are 2, minus 0. 2 2s are 4, minus 3 1s are 3. Now, we try to write directly. 0 minus 4. 1 minus 6. 2 minus 0. 0 minus 2. 0 minus 4. 1 minus 0. Now, subtraction. 1, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 0 minus 4, minus 4, 1 minus 6, minus 5, 2 minus 0, 2, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 0 minus 4, minus 4, 1 minus 0, 1. So this is a minor matrix. How to write cofactor matrix? Cofactor matrix. How to write cofactor matrix? In a simple way, change only these 4 elements symbols. These 4 elements symbols are to be changed. Remaining elements as it is. 1, minus 2, 1, minus 4. So what to write? Plus 4, minus 5. This is plus 2. What to write? Minus 2, minus 2. Since this is minus 4, you have to change its sign. Plus 4 and 1. Likewise, we will find cofactor matrix with the help of minor matrix. Now, adjoint. What is the definition of adjoint matrix? Transpose of cofactor matrix. If you transpose this cofactor matrix, you will get adjoint matrix. So this is a cofactor matrix. Now adjoint. How to get or how to write adjoint matrix? Transpose of this cofactor matrix. 1 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 5 minus 2. Minus 2, 4, 1. Rows are changed as columns. This is adjoint A. Now, we have to find det A. Why det A? As we are asked to find A inverse, 1 by det A into adjoint A. Already we found adjoint A. Now, we have to calculate det A. So A equal to, which is given. Just recollect how to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. 1 into, remove the row and column, 4 elements, 1 0 2 1. For the middle one, you have to change the symbol. If it is plus, you have to write minus. So minus 0. Remove row and column, you will get 4 elements. Plus 2 into, remove row and column, the 4 elements are 2 1 3 2. Since you are having 0 here, 0 into anything is 0. So this is removed. 1 into AD 1 minus 0 plus 2 into 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3. 1 into 1, 1. 4 minus 3 is 1 into 2, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now, A inverse equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. So, 1 by det A is 3. Already in the above, we found adjoint A. This is adjoint A. The same I am writing here. Adjoint A. So, for 2 by 2 we are having formula 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus CA. But whereas in 3 by 3 matrix we always use 1 by det A into adjoint A. So, problem is over. Now, since A is having inverse, A is called invertible. Invertible. If A and this matrix, if A I am doing verification. If A into, if I name this as B, if I name this as B, A and B, if we multiply, what is A? 102, 102. 210 321, 210 321 into 1 by 3 into 1 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 4 1 minus 2 1. Multiply these two. Keep this 1 by 3 aside. Multiply 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 plus 2, 1 plus 0 plus 2. 1 into 4, 4 plus 0 minus 4, minus 2 plus 0 plus 2, 2 minus 2 plus 0, 8 minus 5, 2 4s are 8, 1 into minus 5, 0 into 2, 0. Next, 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 4 plus 0. 3 1s are 3, minus 4 plus 1. 3 fourths 12 minus 10 minus 2 minus 6 plus 8 plus 1. Simplify it. 1 by 3 into 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. If you multiply this, you will get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is identity matrix. So, definition of invertible is verified. Right.